The line of workwear for welders and foundry workers, Volat, designed for professionals. Volat suits are made from 100% cotton with special impregnation, sewn with Kevlar thread on the modern equipment. Volat and Volat U units with reinforced overlays protect against high temperatures, sparks and splashes of molten metal, from thermal radiation, from contact with heated surfaces, from convective heat and mechanical damage. Special conditions dictate their own requirements. The suit should not only be comfortable, but also light. It should not hinder the movements of the welder. As well as for convenience in the seam of the backrest. And there is ventilation in the armhole area. Volat suits are certified under the first, second, and third degree protection class and are manufactured from fabrics of 3 types of density. Volat suits are also manufactured isolated and used with a grinding machine. Volat clothing, modern protection and assistance in achieving results.